Excuse me, have you perchance seen any evil spirits? Oh, my apologies. You're not from around here, are you? This question must sound a little confusing to you. I'm Chongyun. Evil spirits have It is my duty to exorcise or destroy them, and protect the citizens here from their evil doings. How did you come to... I have great respect for the Yakshas. For generations, Yakshas and exorcists have been protecting Liyue together. One in plain sight, and the other in secret. Sorry, I digress. Judging from your response, it seems you aren't well versed in the realm of evil spirits. But that sometimes even the most trivial matters prove helpful in my hunt for evil Oh, I see. Well, fair enough. In that case, I guess I'll just have to try my luck with the clues I... Only some scattered reports, really. Nothing too significant yet. But if you're interested, I can tell you about some of the more useful ones I've gathered so far. I read a flyer that said, the test of courage is now being held on Wuwang Hill. Bring your best friend and test your courage together. Then, recently, the sounds of footsteps and shouting have been heard outside people's windows at night. The noises have frightened the children, and they are unable to sleep. And a huge shadow has appeared in Guili Plains. It flies and swirls, summons down fireballs, and makes all sorts of strange noises. Cases such as these might actually be worth our attention. Ruin Hunter. That would fit the description. Do you think I'm not deciphering these clues correctly? I think the clue about the test of courage is the most relevant one I have so far. If strange things have been happening at the event, then evil spirits may well be the cause. But there's an unusual requirement for this event. You must be a team of 2 people in order to participate. Is it? Perhaps you're right. If evil spirits do show up, then the 2 can take care of each other, I suppose. Anyway, if you have the time, would you join me for this event? You seem to have a good eye for discerning these clues. With your adventuring experience, I'm sure we'll track down those evil spirits in no time. Thank you. I was starting to worry that I wouldn't be able to find a partner. We should make haste. If there are evil spirits at the event, then things could get dangerous.
Please be careful, everyone. Pay close attention, and most importantly, don't get separated from your partner and wander off on...
Did you hear that? He's warning the event participants. Let's investigate.
Welcome to the test of...
Actually, we just met.
No problem at all. But please drink this before you enter the test of courage. This drink will boost the yang energy inside your body, and not only that, but this drink will also allow you... That's right.
Oh, I've never heard of such a drink. Is it a secret recipe? Or maybe some kind of potion? Possibly. But why bother But if this drink really does boost yang energy, then it's... You see, I have a very rare constitution called a pure yang spirit. Such a constitution allows me to scare away evil spirits, but it also makes... I am constantly focusing to keep my mind and body in a normal state.
Come now, what's with that serious expression on your face, lad? It's delicious and quite effective if I do so. Or if you're still unsure, perhaps only one of you could take the drink.
It's hard to refuse when you put it that way.
All right, here it is. Please drink it slowly. Haha! Yes, that's it. You did great. You two may enter now.
So this is the test of courage. There are more people here than I imagined. They could all be in grave danger if there really is an evil spirit here. I'm not too sure where we should start, but I know we'll find something once we start looking. These innocent participants are completely oblivious to the potential danger here. What? Please, enlighten me. You mean, being scared is... I see. Maybe I mostly spend my time purging evil spirits and practicing thaumaturgy. Besides training, I also need to constantly focus on... So I rarely have any time for leisure activities. I'm completely unfamiliar with what others would consider... Well, either way, let's check the area for any evil spirits just in case. Where should we start? These are traces left by an evil spirit. No doubt about it. The traces are quite weak, though. So there are only two possibilities. Either way, these possibilities prove my hunch that No, I don't think so. Although, once it became the murky place you see now, it also began to attract more evil Anyway, these traces lead us one step closer to finding an evil spirit.
This is all your...
All right, don't lose your temper. We're leaving now, okay? To think I used to believe you were brave.
But this is different.
Excuse me, but I couldn't help but overhear your conversation. Did you perchance encounter an evil spirit? If so, I'm here to track it. Could you please tell me which direction it went?
Who are you? No, I didn't see any, so please just leave me alone.
My apologies. Perhaps you misunderstood what I meant. I only wish to know if you can't describe its appearance. Then at least show...
Show you the way? No, I'm not going anywhere.
No, we're not taking you...
No, forget it.
All right, that's enough. Listen, if you keep talking like that, she might actually end up... Can't you see she's terrified enough already? You could go find whatever...
My apologies. I didn't mean to frighten her. Yes, I'm just trying to hunt the evil spirit you mentioned to prevent it from hurting anyone.
Isn't it a bit strange for an exorcist to come to the test of courage looking for evil spirits? Oh, I think I get it now. But we didn't say anything. I brought my girlfriend here to have some fun, but instead she got frightened by all this spooky atmosphere. Now, I'm not too sure what you're looking for, but we did see some dark shadows making strange noises.
Thank you very much. Well, you heard it. It seems something But why would they ever want to come here if they get scared so easily? Interesting. I have never had any fear. It's amazing that you're able to pick up on that. Anyway, let's keep searching the area.
Don't come over here again. Seriously, just leave me.
Why must you be so obstinate? Just calm down. It's not what you
No, don't even.
Stop! Not a step closer! Don't be afraid. I'll exercise it right now.
exercise it.
What? Who are you?
Wait, what? Oh, he's just a person? It seems I've made a mistake. After seeing her resist so violently, I thought for sure an evil spirit was trying...
Nah, it's not like that at all. She's just...
Excuse me? A tantrum? This is supposed to be a date, you know. And now that we're finally here, you don't want to go anywhere and you just want to hang around the entrance. What's the point of that?
All right, fine. I was just about to walk in with you. Look, I'm sorry. I'm just a little bit scared, that's all. That's why I've been stalling. I was wrong, okay? Now that someone else is here, let's take a moment to calm down.
I wasn't thinking clearly. It was pure impulse.
I'm sorry. Please, forgive me. Will you give me another chance?
Fine. I know I shouldn't have yelled at you.
Oh, it doesn't matter anymore. You're still the best, babe.
Who said you could call me babe? You're so annoying.
So they really are on a date? But why in such a dangerous place like this? Perhaps we should just leave them alone. Well, at least we've found some useful clues. We'll need to keep searching further in. But to avoid alerting the evil spirit, when we were collecting clues just now, we were still unsure whether any evil spirit is actually here or not. Our efforts will be wasted if my yang energy scares the... Besides, I trust your capability. If you come across a powerful demon, I'll get there as fast as All right. Thank you.
A fateful offering. Into the wind.
I wonder if I took things a little too far. Huh? Hey, you shouldn't be here. Never mind. I assume I work here pretending to be a ghost, but now's my break time, so I took off my costume. I get all hot and of course, how could there be real ghosts here? No one wants to see a real ghost, neither us nor the participants. We just come here for the atmosphere, or should I say, the chance. Everyone wants the chance to feel the thrill of excitement. When people find themselves in a scary situation, they'll say things that they'd never dare to otherwise. That's what the test of courage is all about. Okay. I should get back to work now. Hope you and whoever you're here with have a fun time.
You're back. How did it go? Did you see an evil spirit? So that's what's going on here? No evil spirits? No danger? It's all just a setup? I see. So I was wrong again. In that case, I suppose there's no reason for us to linger here any longer. Yes, that was proof of an evil spirit's presence, but we can't be sure if the spirit's still here. Actually, I would also like to investigate that further. You're right. I'll focus my mind and spirit. Perhaps it'd be more effective for us to split up. Evil spirits will keep their distance if they sense the power of my pure yang spirit, so you'll be more likely to find one if you're on your own. Yes, that would be best. Just keep it distracted till I arrive. I'll take this side, You take the other side. Let's move.
Can you help me? That exorcist with the blue hair is so scary. Can you lead him away from here? He makes me feel so frightened. I wouldn't dare get anywhere near him. His energy, it's so horrible. It'll make me disappear. I don't want to disappear. Please, help me. Well, I have an idea. I saw the exorcist with blue hair arguing with someone over there a few minutes ago. I'll scare those troublemakers away, but you have to ask the exorcist to let me go, okay? Of course. Chen never lies. So, what do you say? Okay. So, I'll take that as a yes? I hope the exorcist with blue hair is a good person. So, I'll help him, and you'll go talk to him. Hopefully then he'll leave me alone. Sound good?
Hey, you've been turning the whole place upside down looking for evil spirits. Other participants are starting to complain.
Yeah, why would an exorcist show up at the test of courage and tell everyone that there are no ghosts here? You're just stirring up trouble.
Honestly, I find this whole thing quite confusing. If there really are ghosts here, then you're using them to make Mora regardless of the... And if there are no ghosts here, then your so-called test of... Not only are you avoiding my questions, but now you accuse me of causing trouble?
I've already told you. This is what kind of event the test of courage is. It's not our problem that you're taking it so seriously. And now that you're disturbing our participants, we'll have to ask you to leave.
If anything about this made any sense at all, I would leave of my own volition. But if I leave now, I'm leaving evil spirits to their own devices.
Help!
Ghost! There's a ghost!
Run for your life!
What's going on?
Everyone's starting to panic. Is there really a ghost?
Don't be silly. But if everyone starts running, someone could get hurt. Everyone, just calm down. No need to panic. Please move in an orderly fashion.
I see. So there's... And she scared everyone away because I was in trouble? If things are as you say, then she doesn't seem like a malignant spirit. Alright. As long as she promises not to harm anyone, then I'll pretend that I never knew about her. However, if she ever does harm anyone, it'll be my job as an exorcist to come and purge her. I hope so. We should go now. It doesn't seem we're particularly welcome here anyway. What's wrong? I have faith in my judgment of good and evil. But if I begin to neglect my perception of good and evil, it may lead to something I'd regret for the rest of my days. Wait, you mean you didn't think I could be fair and reasonable? Really? Do I look so obstinate? Yeah, you're right. Alright, we should leave now. Okay.